Hey everyone, welcome to Cook with Brooke. Today I'm making deep fried calamari. There's a story behind this. I set a personal goal for myself to create sushi at home. I get like this satisfaction from like making something that I would normally have to buy in a restaurant because I love that it's like super cheap and I get to enjoy it at home on the couch in front of the TV. But the biggest obstacle to doing that for me has been finding a fishmonger. I find going to these market stalls sometimes is intimidating because you're put on the spot, you don't really know what to buy. And you also kind of feel this like speed of where you need to make your mind up right away. So I thought I would use this opportunity to kill two birds with one stone and go to the fishmonger and pick up some fish. And because I've been craving some deep fried food ever since Mark's birthday when we made deep fried KFC-style chicken at home, let's make some deep fried calamari. I found a recipe from Jamie Oliver. Of course, I will link it below. He recommends putting all of the flour and oregano into a food processor to like blitz it up to make it really powdery. I didn't do that. I just put all of the herbs and spices into the bowl with the flour and mixed it by hand. That made this dish was the harissa mayo. It was so good. So if you're like, I don't know if I want to make that sauce, definitely make it. Again, don't be intimidated by deep frying. It's something that you can easily do at home. I think this has been like the second time this year that we've had deep fried food, and it's like not even March yet. But yeah, this was a great recipe. Thank you so much, Jamie, for making all the amazing recipes that you do. Make it at home and let me know if you do, because I would love to hear about it. Subscribe if you want to get notified whenever I post a new one, and I hope you guys have an amazing week ahead.